Hey beauties, so glad you came to check out this video. I wanted to go back to basics, so in this video I'm showing you how I do my twist outs using the LCO method. For those that don't know, LCO stands for liquid, cream, and oil. In my spray bottle I have water plus a few tablespoons of glycerin. This locks the moisture in my hair and I find it to be most effective for my hair type. Be sure to have some handy clips available to separate the hair. Then air dry cream, because it is life for me right now. It's a super creamy leave-in conditioner that's not going to evaporate, and it's not too greasy either. It's got really good consistency and it's infused with the REJUVENIQE oil. The oil is a nice lightweight oil that I would recommend for everyone because of its benefits and its molecular structure. Best oil I've ever used. I brush using a tangle teaser or even a Denman brush. You just want to use a brush that's going to detangle your hair. So I actually start by doing a braid with 3 strands, and as I work my way down I start doing a twist out with 2 strands, and I do this to elongate my hair and stretch it out a little bit. I just find it to work best that way. I typically do the twist a little smaller. I find that you get more definition when you do them smaller. Another great thing about this oil is it has multi-use. I use it on my face, my lips as a moisturizer, and on burns, sunburns. That is a really good one. When I'm done, I prepare for bed by putting on a silk or satin bonnet. And then in the morning when I'm getting ready, I start by putting a few drops of REJUVENIQE oil on my hair just to reduce frizz when I'm unraveling the twists. I start unraveling the twists from the back and just go section by section until all the twists are out. Lots of definition, but actually I really like doing this on the 2nd or 3rd day after I've washed my hair, because then it's even more elongated and I have more definition. It's just even better a couple days later. The reason I love a good twist out is because it's a good way to leave my hair in a more natural state where it can flourish and not be tied down all the time. The only downside to a twist out is you're exposing your hair to all types of elements, and this could be of a disadvantage. Luckily, Monat products help protect my hair from any damage that could happen. I like to fluff at the roots for more body and get my hair as big as I can get it. You can also use a pick comb to get the roots easier. You can definitely use other products to achieve this style, but I recommend you try these amazing products and see what they will do for your hair. You can get up to 15% off as a VIP customer and up to another 25% off with Purchase Plus. To learn more, the link is below, or email me with any questions. I'm glad this turned out nice, and I'm glad you came. Say hi and let me know if you like twist out. Have you ever tried them? What's your method? Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.